back to the Brandon Experience, which is home for the best beauty education on the entire internet and business building done the right way. On today's episode, I am going to be showing you all how to refresh your look in 5 minutes or less and get it together when you have some place to be and your hair is just not quite how it should be. Today, this is one of my full lace wig units, so this works great on extensions as well as natural hair. You want to start off with a good hairspray. My go-to that I just cannot live without any day in the salon is the cult favorite hairspray from Color Wow. I do offer all of the products that I'm going to be showing you all how to use on my website. Literally just a couple quick sprays. It's a firm yet flexible hairspray, meaning that you can build it up to be as hard as you would like, or it can be a nice, soft, brushable look. So what we would start off by doing is just going in and putting a couple of effortless curls in. When I am around the face, anytime I like to curl those sections away. Today I'm using the Fabulous 1.25 inch nano titanium iron. And you just want to take vertical sections. You don't have to be crazy about your parts. Wrap your iron a couple of times around. Be mindful of the heat. Always choose an appropriate heat setting for your hair type. And then we're going to just unwind and pull right at the end to get that super effortless look. The end of the curl isn't very like tight and ringlety, and then just leave the curls. The first few sections around the face, I like to take them away from the face. If you want more of a tassel beachy look, then I would recommend alternating after you get about to the ear section. The little pull move that I'm doing at the end is what gives you that really modern look on the ends of your hair. So now I am past where the ear section would be. If you want to split off your sections, if you feel like you have a little too much hair, that is totally fine. Maybe we'll do this one towards the face. Don't overthink this. If some of your ends come out a little too curly, just take your iron on them and literally just stretch them out. What you put into the hair is what you're going to get out of it. So if you start off adding body, then your finished result will have body. If you start off pulling everything extremely taut and extremely flat, then you are going to have a more sleek look overall. And it's very important when we are curling to think about our finished product, because for instance, let's say I like curl this section to the right and this section to the left. I would reveal and show some scalp. And in this instance, I would be showing some lace, and we know that that's a no-no. If you are in a super rush, take even bigger sections. You can approach your curls whatever way is comfortable for you. I usually approach with the cord end down, but you can come in from the other side and achieve this exact same look. Really just do what is comfortable for you. Let those tight Shirley Temple childlike curls stay, because that's what's going to set the foundation for our style. And those last 3 or so panels that are around the face, if you have time, go ahead and give those a little more attention, and you can make those sections a little thinner. That's going to give you a more defined look. If you want more drama in the front, you can actually over direct this section forward. If you want it out of the face more, then you would over direct it back. We're gonna stay somewhere in the middle today. These are lifesavers. It clips right onto the lace. I got them from House of Wigs from Cynthia Lumsey. They do a great job if you are doing any work or moving around your unit, or just don't want it sliding all over the place. So you want to take your cult favorite hairspray one more time and give it a little spray. This is the Extra Mystical Shine Spray. And what I really like about it, it's weightless. So you don't get that like oily finish. And as you all can see, it already looks well nourished and shiny. So you can use your fingers, you could use a brush. Brushes, of course, are going to get rid of a lot of the definition that you have put in. So I like to use my hands, but that's just me. And the last product you want to use is Style On Steroids, y'all. This texturizing spray is the bomb because it doesn't leave the hair sticky. It instantly inflates and gives you volume. So if you do curls, or even if you have a really sleek style, but it's a little too flat, you can go in right at the roots, give it a spray, run your hands through it or a brush, and you're going to have this performance enhancing texture to your hair. I just like to go under my units for my clients, or if I am doing a styling of natural hair in the salon, I give it a little spray underneath. And look, that quick, look at that. See the difference in this side and that side? So I went from like basic, regular person to celebrity, runway, ready to go look. You are all set to leave. So in under 5 minutes, we have taken just 3 products, our cult favorite, extra mystical shine spray, and a little Style On Steroids. Again, all of the products that I mentioned are available on my site. If you have any questions and you are curious about what will work for you or ways to prepare and style your hair, hit your boy up. I'm more than happy to help you all out. Until then, everyone, please continue to be well, stay safe, and I will see you all next week here, same place, same time, same channel. Peace.